Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this AE like neon video effect on CapCut PC. So copy and paste the part of the video that you want the effect to show, go to effects, go to neon outline and add it. You can adjust the strength, but I'm just going to leave it. Go to filters and add in a black and white filter on top of that so you can choose the color that you want. Go to library and also select the color that you want. I'm just going to select this blue one. Go to blend mode, select linear burn, select everything. Oh, also go to effects and add in edge glow, forgot about that. And add it on the first video and adjust the glow. Select everything, right click, create compound clip, go to blend mode and select screen. I'm just going to move it to the part where I want it to show, so like here. And maybe you can add in more edge glow. I don't think it does make a big difference. I'm just going to select the video on top, add a keyframe on scale, and then at the end I want to scale it up by a lot. And that's it. If it's not vibrant enough, just select another color. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!